At 180 degrees, descend altitude 5 down speed. QNH 1042 to 2 Bravo.
Radar hello, T25 X-ray Charlie, A319, Commissioner Romeo, descending flight level 80 inbound Bay.
T25 X-ray Charlie, Manchester radar, good morning, Romeo, Northwest Balance, approach runway 23 right. Continue to move on and maintain flight level 80 to the other way, where you go there.
That's the 2 Charlie, T25 X-ray Charlie.
1 Romeo, okay, now 107.
1074, roger, push back and start approved from stand 49.
Percent approved, 49, okay, now 107, Romeo. 68, roger, Manchester service terminus, good out.
I have 2,500 and cleared out, let's approach runway 23 right.
23 right, descending 781 Mike.
Full position and monitor going please 121 SWA 55, call you back now very shortly.
Hold position, 121-1855, subject 4.com. 4 miles on the left under heading now of 200 degrees, descent to altitude 5,000 feet, QNH is 1042.
Left heading 200 degrees, descend altitude 5,000 feet, QNH 1042, easy to fly to Charlie.
22 Bravo Kilo, descent to altitude 3,000 feet.
Descend altitude 3,000 feet, just 2 Bravo Kilo. Thank you.
Hello, Emirates 170 or not?
Emirates 170, we're going to hold taxi Alpha then Bravo, Bravo 3.
Alpha, Bravo Kilo.
Still 132 Delta established.
132 Delta, roger, continue our last speed now 160 knots to 4 miles.
160 knots to 4 miles, still 132 Delta.
132 Delta, contact tower 118.630, goodbye.
109.6 for still 132 Delta.
From 118.630.
109.630 for still 132 Delta.
ET25 X-ray Charlie, descent to altitude 3,500 feet, clear down, let's approach number 2 to right.
Descent altitude 3,500 feet, clear down, let's approach number 2 to right, ET25 X-ray Charlie.
2 Bravo Kilo, speed now 160 knots to 4 miles. 160 to 4, 2 Bravo Kilo.
Manchester Road, Bay on 7 November, 138.80 inbound,
Gearing 78 November, Manchester radar, good morning, Romeo current, vector now, let's approach runway 22 right. Just confirm your aircraft type, please.
Continue runway 2.
You can leave Trent now with a heading over 335, descent flight level 60.
Right, 55.
Okay, 1855, right, A6-EEA Airbus, goodbye.
Alpha 4, make a right on Delta and then hold at Delta 1, please. Delta 1.
That's all.
So Romeo Juliet, 60. Sunday Romeo Juliet 7, Charlie, Echo Delta, hold at Delta 3. Sunday Romeo Juliet, November Charlie, Echo Delta, hold Delta 3.
6-0, there, vacancy problem.
6-0, right on Bravo, Kilo Juliet, hold Juliet 4.
Bravo, Kilo Juliet, hold Juliet 4, 6-0, Juliet.
Livery American 735, this is stand 55 or 787-8, information Delta. American 735, roger, just confirm your SID for me please.
T5 Charlie, roger, continue our left.
Hello, 1074, roger, left turn on Juliet, taxi Mike 1. That's Juliet, Mike 1. And for American 735, Cutson 1 Romeo. 735, thank you. Hold position, monitor ground 121.855. We'll call you back in about 2 minutes. We'll be traffic passing behind you shortly.
21855, American 735.
So we see Bravo VT left turn behind the Ryanair now on taxi Kilo and then Juliet, taxi Mike 1 short. 855, still 132 Delta.
Good, 2 Bravo Kilo, runway 22 right, close to land, wind 210 at 4 knots.